couple of weeks after their celebrated win, newly crowned queens of the Binibining Pilipinas took the time off to bring joy and gifts to orphan and abandoned children. Beauty queens Mary Jean Lastimosa, Bianca Guidotti, Parul Shah, Chris Tiffany Janson, Yvette Santiago, Laura Lehman, and Hannah Season personally distributed school supplies and took selfies with the children. Each one of them gave inspirational messages, urging the kids to follow their dreams.
Ang tip ko lang po sa inyo mga bata, never stop dreaming and never stop reaching for your goals. Kaya ngayon, mga bata pa kayo, madami pa kayo gusto sa buhay. Enjoy lang po kayo, pero huwag niyong hayaang hindi niyo matupad po yung gusto niyo. So,
kung gusto mo maging athlete, kung gusto mo maging isang beauty queen, kaya mo, basta put all your effort into what you're doing, and basta put your heart into what you're doing, and basta kung may puso kayo, kaya mo gagawin.
So mga kids, ano yung tatlong bagay na kailangan natin? First, thanking God. Second, pangatlo, yun, confidence, bilig sa sarili. Okay? Sige lang.
advice ko lang sa inyo is laging dream big. Kasi libre naman yun, di ba? Mangarap. So dream big. Kasi one day, makukuha mo naman yan eh. Kung mag-pray ka lagi kay God, kung mag-aaral ka na mabuti, at bigit sa sarili. Di ba? At ang advice lang galing kay Ate Yvette, siguro lagi kayong magtiwala sa sarili nyo. Yung sagot ko nga sa Q&A ko sa pageant, confidence. Dapat may tiwala ka sa sarili mo at higit sa lahat, stay down to earth. Huwag niyong kalimutan magdasal at huwag niyong kalimutan kung saan kayo nagmula.
Pray lang, and then, syempre, we have to study hard kasi yun talaga, it will bring us very far. And then, believe in yourself and trust in yourself also.
So yun, maglaro sa oras na nanarapat, mag-aral ng mabuti, makinig sa mga parents, and mag-pray kay Lord.
The 100 children from the Diocese of Novaliches Pastoral Care for Women and Children were then treated to a party sponsored by Dairy Queen that included a magic show and face painting sessions. This is Christine Sabilio for Inquirer.net.